Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a pretty simple video, how to change the battery on one of these key fobs for Toyota or Lexus. This is for our Lexus LX570. The same style remote is used on lots of different Lexus and Toyota vehicles. The battery you're going to need are the CR1632s. I just bought a 4-pack from Amazon because it's really cheap, probably cheaper than buying a single one at your local hardware store. I'll put the link for these in the description down below if you want to buy yours off of Amazon as well. If you want to buy them locally, just remember that part number for the battery type. First thing we want to do is remove the actual physical key from this. What you'd need to do is take this little tab, push it over, and the key will come straight out. There we go. So that's out. Then you're going to take a look inside here. And there's a little slot right there. And what you want to do is take the end of your key, kind of put it in that slot, and twist your key, and it'll pop the shell open. Now I've got it opened up. Let's go ahead and take the shell apart. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand here. So we want that circuit board back over here. There we go. And there you are. That's the battery. You want to take a look at the part number. Make sure it's the same 1632, just in case you've got a different one or your remote style is different. This is a 1632. It's a 3-volt lithium button battery, and we've got the correct ones here to go ahead and put in there. There's the battery popped out and what it looks like there. When you're putting the new battery in, if you're not used to these battery types, you want to make sure to put it back in the same orientation that the old one was. It does matter if it's upside down. In this case, you want to put it in with the side that has the writing facing up away from the key. Here's our new battery. Go ahead and insert it. I got it in. So this side, you've got the two little springs, those gold springs right there. So put this side in first, and then push down and slide it backwards at the same time, and it'll pop in. What I was trying to do is put that side in first, and then this side, and the battery was getting stuck on the top of those two little spring clips. So this side first, and then slide it in. Now that you've got that put together, get the rest of the shell on there in the correct orientation, and it should there we go, clipped right back on. And that's it. And here in a second, I'm going to show you what to do if your battery has run out and you need to drive your vehicle. If you get into your Toyota or Lexus that has the push button start and no hole for a key, and your remote is not being detected, maybe the battery's low and it's not working or it's not strong enough to have a signal that the car can pick up, you still can start your vehicle. What you have to do, sometimes it'll give you an error message on the screen that describes it. You take your key fob, you hold the brake pedal down, hold the key fob against the push button start. On some vehicles you'll hear a beep, on some you won't, and then hit the engine start button. And that'll get it started up. You'll be good to go. You won't be able to lock your doors or unlock your doors with the remote, so be careful. Don't lock yourself out, but you'll at least be able to start it. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see more content like this, check out the other videos on the channel. There's lots of good 80 series, 200 series, Land Cruiser content, and hit the subscribe button below. If you want to be notified of new videos as they get posted, make sure to hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Love y'all. See you next time.